All right, so we're going to gather the materials so that we can do the rhetorical context for the article Let's Move But Not with Shaq or Beyonce by Alexander Sifferlin. The first thing is you will need your reading packet, which starts out with this page and the rhetorical context. And if you need that document, you can find that if you log into Blackboard and go to Course Documents and then scroll down to Week 2, Day 1, and there'll be a document that says Sifferlin Reading Packet. It's also possible that you might have picked it up in class. So if you have it, there's no need to do the digital version, but you can if you prefer that. So the other thing that is going to be helpful is that if you've got this, then you should also try and find a way to look up the directions and the questions to ask for each part. So you can do that by looking up week 2 slides, and what you can see is that you'll have to look at slides 16 to 24, and it's possible that this document might change, so that means that you'll have to look in maybe a different part. But what's going to be important is that look for this title right here, Rhetorical Context, and you can find the parts that go over the different parts of rhetorical context, and specifically go to the part where we have the instructions that start with author, because that's where we're going to be starting. If you like the slides, you can do that. Another resource that's available, it has the same information as the slides, is this handout. And if you click on that, that is going to be the rhetorical context handout. And it gives you the same information that's on the slides. It's just in a little different format. So choose whichever one works better for you and refer to that as you're going through and doing each part. Another thing that's going to be really important is also getting the article. So what I'm going to do to get the article is use the digital version. What you can also do is, this is an article in the reader. This is the third article in the reader, so you can just pull out your reader. That's going to be the purple book. And so you have that to refer to. So what I've got right now is the handout itself. I've got the article, and then I've got also the directions, either in the form of the handout or in the form of the slides. So one of those is helpful, and also you can find these documents and links to these resources in the Living Reader. So let's get started.